What's the smartest animal in the world? Okay, what's the smartest animal in the world after humans? Nightingales and crows. Nightingales are a species of bird that can learn to sing 60 different songs. While a crow's brain may seem small in comparison to a human brain, what matters is the size of the brain in relation to the size of the animal. They also recognize human faces, they remember what you did, and there are high chances that crows can attack you if you have done something wrong to them, so never mess with a crow. They use tools to solve problems. Crows also plan for future. Crows not only plan for future events but consider the thinking of other crows. When a crow catches food, it looks around to see if it's been observed. If it sees another animal is watching, the crow will pretend to hide its treasure, but will really snatch it in its feather. The crow then flies away to find a new secret spot. If a crow sees another crow hiding its prize, it knows about this little game of bait and switch and won't be fooled. Instead, it will follow the first crow to discover its new place. Octopus. Octopuses are extremely clever when faced with puzzle, such as figuring out how to open a jar to get a tasty fish or escaping from aquariums. They'll even gather shells, rocks, and other objects to fortify the place. They are the smartest spineless creatures. Not only do they have a good short and long term memory, but also a remarkable ability to learn new skills from the moment they are born. Pig. Despite a reputation for poor hygiene, pigs are actually highly intelligent animals. Both domestic and wild species are known for their ability to adapt to a variety of different ecological conditions. They seem to be at least as trainable as cats and dogs. Pigs are fast learners. Researchers have taught them how to play video games and even to take shower when they are hot. They could move a cursor on the screen with their snorts, as well as use the cursor to distinguish between scribbles they knew and those they were seeing for the first time. Pigs have complex social lives. They learn from one another and work together. Squirrels. This animal's dogged persistence and impeccable memory have made it the nemesis of gardeners throughout its vast range. Most squirrels display an impressive array of tricks and strategies that help them survive. For starters, these clever creatures are essentially woodland animals that have adapted to living alongside humans, eating out of bird feeders, flower gardens, and whatever food might be lying around. They are also able to store and catch food for a leaner times, and then find their hidden morsels many months later. They may also pretend to hide food in order to confuse potential thieves. Researchers believe shows an advanced level of cunning and intellect. Grey squirrels are capable of remembering where thousands of nuts are buried for months at a time. Goat. Goats have excellent long-term memory. Goats might not seem like the most cuddly animals, but researchers have found evidence that goats are as clever as dogs and just as capable of building emotional relationships with humans as well as other domesticated animals we have let into our hearts and homes. Dogs. Are dogs intelligent or just really good at basic obedience? They can learn to sit, lie down, and fetch, but can they read their owner's intention? Research suggests that they can at least find food in response to non-verbal cues, a type of understanding that scientists think may be akin to human ability to understand someone else's point of view. Orangutan. The great apes are considered the smartest creature after humans. The intellectual capacity of the great apes is difficult to deny. Among them, orangutans stand out as being especially gifted in the brains department. They have a strong culture and system of communication, and many have been observed to use tools in the wild. Orangutans live in a widely scattered communities and form strong social bonds, which may be the key to their advanced cognitive skills. Females remain with their young for many years, teaching them all they need to survive in the forest. One measure of the orangutan's remarkable intelligence is their ability to understand the concept of the future and to make plans for it. Researchers have observed orangutans stashing objects for future use. Wild orangutans can even plan out their travel route in advance and will communicate to other orangutans in their group. Orangutans also use objects and they seem to grasp language at the sophisticated level, and they also use facial expressions and body language. Elephants. Elephants live in complex family groups and they have also been known to paint when provided a few art supplies. Elephants are more than just lumbering giants with big ears and a good memory. In fact, elephants are quite elegant, cultured, and curious. They have been known to clean their food and use tools in various ways in the wild, and they can also follow human commands in captivity. Elephants are also extremely caring and empathic to other members of their group and to their species, which is considered a highly advanced form of intelligence. Dolphin. But one animal in particular, the dolphin, shares all the smarty pants characteristics: tool use, social networking, creativity, and communication. Dolphins are extremely social animals. They also have a sophisticated language. Though humans have only begun to unravel it, dolphins use tools in their natural environment and can learn an impressive array of behavioral commands by human trainers. Like many of the most intelligent animals on earth, they team up in groups called pods to accomplish tasks. Their brains are as large as yours. They complement their eyesight through echolocation, which is a method of bouncing sound off obstacles and the fish around them. Chimpanzee. Topping our list of smartest animals is another great ape, the chimpanzee. The impressive intellectual abilities of this animal have long fascinated humans. They can make and use tools, hunt collectively, and are capable of advanced problem solving. They are also able to learn sign language to communicate with humans and can remember the name of sign for individuals they have not seen for several years. But perhaps the most amazing feature of the chimpanzee is the ability to use symbols for the objects and combine the symbols in a sequence to convey a complex idea. Such intellectual gifts are probably central to maintaining this animal's complex social groups where they form strong bonds and observe elaborate hierarchical structure. Chimpanzees are our closest living relatives. We share almost 99% of our DNA. It turns out that they share some of our brain power as well. We're using a type of photographic memory which allows an individual to recall images with extremely high accuracy even if they only glanced at them for a split second. There are still thousands of organisms that we have to discover yet, which might be smarter than these animals. If you liked the video, smash the like button below and subscribe the channel.